Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Glad paper plates is probably one of the most convenient and versatile tableware options available today, perfect for everyday meals, parties, or any occasion where you want to minimize cleanup without sacrificing quality. In this video, we will explore what makes Glad paper plates stand out from the competition and help you decide if they're the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Glad 10 Round Paper Plates. Get ready to experience the convenience and quality of our new and improved paper plates. They're perfect for any occasion, big or small. While the design may be updated, these plates still offer the same sturdy, reliable quality you've come to expect from Glad. Enjoy the familiar feel with a fresh look. These plates are designed to handle it all, from appetizers to main courses. They're microwave safe and cut resistant, so you can use them with confidence. Our exclusive soak-proof coating keeps messy foods contained. Say goodbye to soggy plates and hello to a clean dining experience. These heavy-duty plates are designed to withstand even the hardiest meals without bending or breaking. Enjoy the convenience of disposability without sacrificing quality. From dinner parties to casual picnics, these plates are ideal for everyday use and special occasions. Make cleanup a breeze. What we like? They're large, sturdy, and can handle anything from appetizers to main courses in the microwave. If you need reliable plates for big meals or parties, and don't want to compromise on quality, this is the perfect choice. These plates are perfect for families with messy eaters or for those who love to entertain. What people say. These plates hold up so well with almost any food, hot or cold. Dixie large paper plates have become a staple in my household, and for good reason. Offering a generous size of 10 inches, a substantial count of 204 plates per pack, and boasting 2x stronger construction, they've proven to be an essential companion for various occasions. The plates hold up impressively well under the weight of even the hardiest meals, thanks to their reinforced design. Whether loaded with barbecue fare or piled high with holiday feasts, these plates remain sturdy and reliable. Microwave-safe functionality is another highlight. It's incredibly convenient to be able to pop these plates into the microwave without worrying about them warping or disintegrating. These plates are fairly sturdy, and most important, will not get all soggy or leak when filled with wet food. Number 4. Glad Round Paper Plates. These aren't your average paper plates. They're strong, sturdy, and perfect for any occasion. With a beautiful floral design, they'll elevate your everyday meals and impress your guests. It's safe to use them in the microwave and they're tough enough to handle even the sharpest knives. Our exclusive soak-proof coating keeps messy foods from soaking through, so you can enjoy your meal without worry. These durable plates are perfect for everyday use or special occasions. Say goodbye to washing dishes. From casual dinners to elegant parties, these plates are versatile and ready for anything. What we like? These pretty plates add a touch of elegance to any occasion. If you're looking for a decorative yet practical option for parties or everyday use, and you love a pop of color, then these are for you. They're perfect for adding a festive touch to your gatherings. What people say. Keeps making from washing dishes, very strong. Much nicer than the plain Jane plates. And the square shape makes them unusual. Great quality, sturdy, no leaks. This plate is a little deeper than the standard ones, which can be an advantage or disadvantage depending on the use. It's also a little less sturdy than the standard ones, but sturdier than the ones at the dollar store. Number 3. Glad Square Disposable Plates. We're excited to introduce our updated design. While the look may be changing, you can still count on the same reliable quality you expect from Glad. These plates are microwave safe and surprisingly durable. They can handle your appetizers and main courses with ease. Our exclusive soak-proof coating keeps messy foods from soaking through. Enjoy your meal without the worry of spills. These plates are sturdy and disposable, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to washing dishes after your event. From dinner parties to picnics, these plates are perfect for everyday meals and special occasions. They'll add a touch of elegance to any gathering. Upgrade your next meal with Glad's convenient and stylish disposable plates. They're the perfect blend of functionality and flair. What we like? With their unique shape and vibrant color, they're a fun and stylish choice. If you appreciate a modern aesthetic and want something different from traditional round plates, these are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your table. They're great for both casual and formal events. What people say. They are microwavable, cut-resistant, and have a soak-proof coating that has kept even the messiest foods from penetrating the surface. These features make them perfect for both special occasions and everyday use. They held up well during my dinner party and did not break or tear, even when I was serving heavier items. They are sturdy, and so far have been durable for my needs. The edge creates a lip which keeps the food nicely on the plate, or if you have runny foods, it keeps it from rolling off. Number 2. Glad Tabletop Square Plates. These plates offer the same reliable quality you expect from Glad, now with an updated design. Enjoy the convenience and durability for all your needs. It's microwave safe and resistant to cuts. These large, square plates are perfect for appetizers or main courses. They're coated with our exclusive soak-proof coating. Even the messiest foods won't penetrate the surface. These durable plates are incredibly convenient. Say goodbye to washing dishes after your meal. They're ideal for dinner parties, picnics, or everyday meals. Enhance any occasion with these stylish and practical plates. Upgrade your dining experience with Glad Tabletop Square Plates. They're the perfect blend of convenience and quality. What we like. These large, square plates offer a generous serving area and a fresh, modern look. If you're looking for a stylish and practical option for serving larger portions or for a more contemporary feel, this is the perfect choice. They're ideal for both everyday use and special occasions. What people say. They hold a large quantity of food and are very sturdy. Also, they have a waterproof coating so they don't get soggy when using gravy or sauces. Not only do these kinda look like SpongeBob, but they work really well in the microwave and they don't get all limp when liquids touch them. This sturdy disposable plate is durable and can be reused for a second helping even when reheating in the microwave. And, don't worry if the carousel in microwave doesn't turn, remove the plate and fold up the corners to create a bowl. Number 1. Glad Palm Leaf Plates. Say goodbye to tedious cleanup. These plates are perfect for everyday meals and special occasions. Made from high-quality materials, they handle any food, from hot pizza to ice cream cake, without getting soggy. Reheat your leftovers directly on them, it's that convenient. Cut and serve with confidence, they're strong enough to handle your favorite dishes. Enjoy your meal and simply toss them when finished, cleanup has never been easier. At 812 inches, they're ideal for meals, snacks, or desserts. This 50-count pack ensures you always have enough. What we like. These plates bring a touch of nature to your table. If you appreciate natural aesthetics and want to add a touch of tropical charm to your meals, these are the perfect choice. They're suitable for everyday use or special occasions, adding a unique design element to your dining experience. What people say. Good quality, sturdy, nice design. Good size. We used these for a kid's birthday party. The design was great and matched our theme. I found no issues with the durability or sturdiness. People use these for a variety of snacks with no complaints. These are really sturdy and a great size for me anyways. I appreciate not having to have a large one when I only need a medium size for my meals. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.